morning everyone. Today class 3rd B is here to present an online class presentation. Myself Aniket. Let's start a day with a beautiful thought.
Good morning, myself Pranav, and today's thought is the mind is everything. What you think you become. Thank you.
Dear friends, we all have our favorite things which we adore. Let's see some of our favorite things.
Myself Arorati from 3rd B. My favorite game is flying kite. I have a kite which is multicolor. My kite is made of plastic paper. It flies high in the sky. I fly kite during Independence Day and Makar Sankranti. I love flying a kite. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Chahat Grewal. My favorite toy is doll. My doll name is Preeti. She is very beautiful. She is skin in color. Her hairs are very soft. I love my doll very much. Thank you. My name is Anika. Thing is my doll. I like to play with doll. My doll is very cute and beautiful. My father has bring it for me. I daily play with doll. I like my doll very much. Thank you.
My favorite things in football game. My most favorite game is football. It is not so costly and it is not so dangerous. It is very good game. I love this game in a world. Thank you.
That was great. Friends, do you know book can be our best friend and we should read regularly. And reading, because reading has many benefits.
Books improve our vocabulary.
Books motivate and inspire us.
Books give us many good habits to increase our intelligence.
Books allow us to express ideas in better way.